Indi ya igongona ria kuhumbo thumbi kwa arutwo makiria 900 thukuru-ini wa kothi cia moko wa Kasarani ritana ni rikitio kuri mbeu njithi kuhimbiria kothi ici.
Our purpose is to support the linkage of training with industry. For a long time we have had a discussion about skills mismatch in the TVET subsector, and this skills mismatch has led to limitation of productivity, it has hampered innovation, it has affected the competitiveness of our industries.
Kuringana na mwandiki MUKARU Ministry ya GITHOMO ruhonge-ini rwa kothi cia moko Esther Mworia, thukuru cia kothi cia moko ciagĩrĩire kwĩmbĩria gũthomithia arutwo mathomo ma moko na teknolojĩ ĩrĩa ĩrĩ kuo nĩguo magĩe na ũgĩ wa kũigana kũiyũkia mĩeke ya mawĩra thoko-inĩ.
The strength of an institution lies not in its age or name, but in the quality of its outcomes, the kind of graduates it sends into the world. All you should be focused on unequivocally is the people we are sending out there. Whether they are 5, 10, or 1,000. It is the quality of the person that we are sending out of that gate.
Mworia ugĩte kũrĩ na macini nyingĩ cia thirikari iria mathukuru maya magĩrĩire kũhũthĩra gũthomithia arutwo.
We craft the young people in such a perfect, almost perfect way that they are competitive across the globe. And these are the people who are going to babysit this country to Vision 2030. If we properly train our young people so that they have the skills.
Mũmbunge wa Kasarani Ronald Karauri nĩ orĩtie mbeũ njĩthĩ kũiyũkia mĩeke ĩrĩa ĩrĩho mathukuru-inĩ maya nĩguo mathome na mahote kwĩrũgamĩrĩra kĩmũtũrĩre.
You have to take it in your own hands as the young generation. It's one thing to be people on the street, and it's another to take the challenge in your own hand. This change is yours. You have to be the ones who lead from the front and take that change.
Karauri nĩ eranĩire kũhũra njeki arutwo na kĩgĩna kĩa basarĩ nĩguo mathiĩ na mbere na mathomo mao.
We have dedicated the bursary for this specific institution to ensure that all learners here get the bursary, because I sent my office to the institution, and in the coming weeks we'll be issuing the bursaries for everyone in this institution, because I always say there is much we can do. Government has its different arms, but the biggest thing we can do is equip our students, because education is the only thing that guarantees the future.
Mũrutani mũnene thukuru-inĩ ũyũ Josephine Mora augĩte arutani nĩ mahetwo mathomo ma kũigana gũthomithia.
We have been identified as Kasarani and partnered with Hamburg University from Finland. And this partnership is coming up with what we call the green curriculum. And we are proud of this, and we are working towards achieving this.
Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Wainaina wa KIRIA.